It's also been a frightening day on LA's west side with the Skirball Fire burned several multi-million-dollar homes in Bel Air. KCAL 9's Cristy Fajardo is live there for us. Cristy?
Yeah, and you know what? The winds are already starting to become a problem. In fact, just minutes ago, they pulled a couple of fire engines from this street here and sent it over there where you see that orange glow. A tree was on fire. Firefighters were quickly able to knock it down, but the fear is that will no longer be a possibility when the winds pick up. In fact, all of those orange dots you see there, they weren't there an hour ago. They have been resurrected by the winds, and those hot spots are burning right above one home and right below another. And take a look. This is why firefighters are so concerned. This is what it looked like the last time the winds picked up here on Linda Flora Drive. In all, 4 homes were destroyed, 11 others damaged in Bel Air. The gusts pushing the flames so fast, firefighters couldn't keep them from jumping from hilltop to hilltop. About 500 acres have burned, and as of late this afternoon, the Skirball Fire was 5% contained, forcing the evacuation of this entire neighborhood. Tonight, the streets east of Sepulveda Pass are a ghost town. Witnesses told us they had never seen anything like it. The last time this area burned was in the 60s. Before sunrise, on the 405, drivers saw the mountains glowing red. They looked like they were covered in lava. Police shut down the Sepulveda Pass in both directions. It has since reopened, but the northbound off-ramps are still closed. And back out here live, they just turned on the sprinklers. One more measure they are taking to try to keep the fire from jumping over here. And I want to show you, you'll notice there is a small army of firefighters here on the street. They are staging all along this street and also this neighborhood here to protect homes in case the Skirball Fire once again becomes an inferno. And one more thing we should mention, we've also seen a heavy police presence. The LAPD tells us they have so many officers out here to escort people in who need to pick up medications or pick up belongings, but also to keep looters out. But fortunately, they say so far that has not been a problem. We are monitoring the situation out here, and we will be live out here all night.